Hello, welcome to OpsMx Intelligent Software Delivery Platform demo for Argo CD. With this tool, you're able to deploy to a Kubernetes environment through Argo CD and have greater visibility, auditability, and better insights, as well as ability to do automated rollout analysis as part of this product. So I'm going to just show you a quick demo of all the features that's available today. We'll start off with this application dashboard, where we are basically able to see all the applications deployed across all your Argo CD environments. It's pretty easy to add new Argo CD deployments. For example, in this case, I have a couple of them already. If I want to add a new, I just click New Integration and connect to the Argo CD instance through a secure agent. This agent actually runs inside your premises and connects back to the platform, and all the connections are secure, and now you're connected to our platform. You can also deploy a new instance of Argo CD itself, including Argo Rollout. This is basically like you just have a new team or a new cluster and you want to deploy a new instance. You can actually do that in one step from our platform. So once you're connected, all of them, you're now able to see all the applications across all of the Argo CDs in one place. In this case, I have a CD that shows you Argo CD deployed across a single environment. In this particular case, I'm going to show you where it's deployed across two environments. So these applications, this dashboard allows you to see the revision numbers, the destination clusters, the namespace these applications are deployed, and also the health and other status in a one single shot. You are able to go straight from here to the Argo CD UI that you're familiar with and be able to perform all the actions like new syncing or history or rollback and any of the action that you're pretty familiar with. One of the other things I want to point out here is that ability to do one of the Argo CD is famous for is the ability to do rollout in a safe fashion. We call it progressive delivery using a canary or a blue-green deployments that allows you to reduce the blast radius of newer deployments to reduce production failures. So in this case, there's a canary deployment set up that is basically going through a progressive rollout, essentially 20% of traffic and then 70% of traffic before you go to full production. But before you step through these things, you want to do an analysis, and we can do an automated machine learning based analysis of both logs and the metrics. For example, in this particular case, this analysis is done, there's some failures or some successes. We automatically determine the issues that are found in both log and metrics. Let's take a look here. In this case, we looked at the logs and found a couple of warnings that's not in the baseline, but it's in the production. If there are actual critical errors found, we'll fail the score so you don't have to ever go to production. In this case, also the metrics as well. We look at every metrics that you define, and we can select which metrics is failing compared to the baseline. In this case, is the higher memory usage of the new release compared to the baseline. If there are enough failures, you may say, "Oh, I don't want to roll back. I don't want to roll forward. I want to roll back." And you can do this decisioning right from here. This is available, and you can add these OpsMx analysis as part of the rollout very easily. Now, once you've done all the deployments, you want to be able to audit them. So one of the things with the Argo rollout is the ability to audit some application, but the audit is a limited buffer. So in this case, you can store as long as you want. For example, if you want 6 months of audit data for your regulatory reasons, you can keep it. And so this could be used by DevOps folks to be able to go back in time and be able to look at all the deployment that have ever happened in your Argo CD environments across teams, across different environments. You also get insights, which is basically ability to look at the performance of your team in terms of deployment frequency, how fast they're deploying, called the DORA metrics, key metrics that you want to look at. This also provides you additional insights around which is the most active applications, for example. This may be useful for you to look from a team perspective or from across the overall organization perspective. So to summarize, ISD for Argo provides you greater visibility, auditability, and better insights, and also help you deploy safer to Argo CD through these automated rollout analysis. If you'd like to have more information, visit us at www.opsmx.com. Thank you very much for watching the demo.